Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Shop. How's everybody doing today? When you're logging on, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. Let me just see how this is going. I have to get to my page. So, if you're seeing this video, you are probably on Telly's Talkin' Shop or in Telly's Talkin' Shop VIP. Or I have posted this somewhere. So like and follow Telly's Talkin' Chalk. Check out my VIP group, Telly's Talkin' Chalk VIP. You can also check me out on Instagram and YouTube. And I have my website, tellystalkinchalk.ca. You can check that out as well. And I want to do this in a way that it'll work for me. Okay. Is this the right one? Okay. So I'm just going to get this. Oh, but this is the hard way again. Darn it. Okay. So just give me a minute and I will say hello to you when I see you. It might just take me a minute. They had an easier way earlier. What is going on? Today, though, we are going to be looking at the Sylvies that we've done. They are up for sale. All you have to do is private message me and I will be able to price it out for you based on shipping as well. Alright, so I posted that out to a bunch of places. If you could do the same when you jump on, that would be awesome. So we only have about 7, I think, of this one. But I'm trying to clear out my stock here. So this is Family a Little Bit Crazy and a Whole Lot of Love. This was one of the last ones we did. Again, I'm not seeing the thing in the right way, but okay. Because we've got the family thing up in the corner. No. Alright, so there's that. Again, these are for sale. I see somebody jumped on. Hello. I just don't see who. This one is What If I Fall? Oh, but darling, what if you fly? Oh, hi, Michelle. How are ya? So I still need to wipe up that one. I forgot. I'm just doing a quick live here just to sell off some of my finished pieces. This is You Are Beautiful, Don't Change. I have 2 of these done 2 different ways. I'm doing well, hon. Thanks for asking. So there's that one, and then I have a second one. It's done in a different color. I feel like I'm not putting it over fair enough. Hey everybody! Hey, Gail. So there's that one. I love how it tells me you've said hi, Gail, before it even tells me you've jumped on. But it actually gives me your name. So this one is So Foxy. Again, these are done with chalk, so you can wipe them off, or if you want, you can make them permanent by using some spray. Get down to our last two. This is Fall Blessings. Love how this one turned out. It was fun to make. And then our last one, which is Christmas one, is Chillin' with My Nomies. So if you're on the replay, hashtag replay, and let me know if you would like any of these. Private message me and we will talk about pricing. Again, like and follow my business page, check out my VIP group, and check me out on YouTube and Instagram. The distress. Oh, on the letters? Yeah, it's really pretty. So that is all I have for you today. I know it was a really quick one, but I just wanted to make sure that I get all of these sold. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. I still have a whack more to show you. So follow me tomorrow at 5 o'clock, and I will see you then. Bye, guys.